Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions. And today we're gonna answer some viewer questions about vitamins. Our first question comes from Roman. Hi Dherbs. A lot of my friends take multivitamins every day. I never take them, but they've been on me a lot about how my health is gonna suffer. And I'm setting myself up for some kind of nightmare health scenario by not taking them. It's starting to scare me. Are they right? Best, Roman. Roman, this is fiction. Multivitamins are very popular, but they're not necessary to get all the nutrients you need to be healthy. As long as you're eating a balanced diet and have no other health conditions, it's very hard to get a vitamin deficiency. A lot of foods are even fortified with vitamins to prevent that. Some people, like pregnant women and people with metabolic disorders, do benefit from targeted vitamins, but there's no evidence that supplementation for its own sake improves health outcomes for otherwise healthy people. If your doctor hasn't told you to take a supplement, a balanced diet is more valuable to your health than a multivitamin would be. Our next question comes from Orally. Dear Dherbs, my doctor wants me to start taking the calcium supplement now that I'm getting older and I've gone through menopause. I find the pills very unpleasant to take, and I haven't been keeping up with them regularly. It does make me feel guilty every time I go in for a checkup though. Should I keep trying anyway? Orally, this is a fact. Calcium intake is really important for postmenopausal women because estrogen is the hormone that allows the body to build long-term calcium stores, and after menopause, you no longer produce it. So, a reduction in calcium intake increases your risk of bone weakness, fractures, and osteoporosis. But studies have shown regular calcium supplements reduce bone density decline measurably in women a few years out from menopause. It's worth it to keep trying. And if the supplements you're currently taking are unpleasant, consider changing brands. There's a huge variety of capsules, gummies, and more out there, so you can find a delivery system that isn't unpleasant and can help your health. Our final question comes from Malik. Hi Dherbs. I've been looking at vitamin D supplements, but that's the one you get from the sun, isn't it? Do people really need so many supplements? Malik, this is a fact. Vitamin D is really important for your skeleton and overall health, but actually relatively few foods contain it. And while you can get it from the sun, how much you get really depends both on how long you spend in the sun and how dark your skin tone is. People with darker skin tones produce much less vitamin D in the same amount of time compared to people with lighter ones. They're more likely to need supplements to stay at healthy levels. So take a look at your diet, your skin tone, and how much time you spend in the sun, and make your decision from there. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.